Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a fairly easy job as well to get done. As you can see behind me, we have a Honda CRV right here. And I don't know if you can see it, but you see this light up in the back window here? It's burnt out. All right, so we're going to take that back light out. All you're going to need to get the job done is you're going to need a screwdriver and, of course, a replacement light bulb. So enough talking. Let's get in there. I'm going to show you how it goes. All right, so first thing we do is take our screwdriver up underneath here. There's a little tab. Just push that tab, and it pops right off. Just like that. All right? Aha. Now, I can see that somebody had this apart already, and you can see they glued this piece back together. So somebody broke this at a previous time, and they glued this back on. So that's going to be a little bit of an issue, but we'll see how it goes. All right, we just take this here, we just take this and turn it, just like that. And we take the bulb out. Now, you'll notice that that bulb turned on when I moved it. You see right here? You see the bulb itself? You see the filament on there? Now this bulb is actually has power coming through it. I'm going to tap it. Now sometimes when you tap it, it turns back on. But it did for a split second, but it's not anymore. So let me show you what the problem is. You can see that filament inside there? You see how it's broken? That's the problem. Alright, so now we're going to take our replacement light bulb and we're going to bring it in over here, plug it in like this, and now you can see our stoplight works. We're going to put the bulb back in here, put it in, and then you turn it clockwise to lock it in, and that's it, it's locked back in place. Alright, now if this piece wasn't broken, but it is, we take our piece like this, put it back over the top, push it in, and that's it, you would be finished. And then your brake light would be working properly. So we're going to close this a little bit, and as you can see, now all three of the lights work. This one's working, so that's it, we're all done. We're going to put that cover back on. We're probably going to go to the dealer and get a new cover because I don't like just putting something on there with glue, but that's it. This job is done. Out the door and on to the next. All right, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.